Hey everyone, this is Fireboltt Ninja 3 Plus. I've already made a complete unbox of this product. Link is in the description. In case on top you'll get an option to click and watch that video as well. So in case if you want to watch the unboxing of this product, you're going to watch that. In this video we're going to discuss if this product is worth for buying. I've got many comments on the previous video whether this particular product supports Bluetooth calling or not. How is the battery backup? I've almost used 30 days of this product. I'm going to give you my real opinion whether you want to buy this or not. This cost you around $1,299. And let's talk if this is worth or not. Let's start with the benefits. The first benefit, this has a good display. Yes, 1.83 large display. So but the actual product when it comes in hand, I don't feel like it has 1.83 large display, but still company claims that it is 1.83 large display. And this comes with 118 sports mode. So almost 118 sports mode, but usually you're gonna use 5 to 6 sports mode only. Hardly gym, cycling, walking, aerobics, yoga, so such kinds, not all 118. So it's not benefited for a human being. Nobody gonna use 118 sports mode, so that's okay, but still we get that feature. That's good. And next, this has oxygen monitoring, SpO2 monitoring. That's really good, and I'm gonna talk whether that is real or not. And next benefit is this has heart rate tracking and also sleep monitoring. Okay, and one more feature what I saw in this product is it gives you water reminders. You can set water reminders through the app, Fitta app, and from there you can set how much liter you need to drink water per day, and it's gonna remind you every 1 hour, 2 hour to drink that water. I've liked that. And in case if you have any of the app which you want to get the notification, you can set it over the app, and notification part, it works really good. Let's talk the bad things about this product. Okay, the first bad thing what I've observed in this 30 days is this does not come with a good battery backup. That's right, this does not come with a good battery backup. It drains too fast. So I didn't like, I need to charge every 5 days, every 4 days, 5 days I need to charge. So this does not come with the good battery backup. That's the first problem. Second problem is this does not support Bluetooth calling. In case if someone is calling on your phone, in case if the phone is connected to this app, you will be able to see there's a phone call, but you won't be able to accept because this does not come with a speaker. There is no inbuilt speaker in this, so you won't be able to accept or reject, or you won't be able to speak. Okay, so since this does not have a speaker, you won't be able to communicate over the smartwatch. And the only benefit what I saw is the notification. In case if you get any WhatsApp, you can set it over the app where you'll get the notification. That's the only benefit. And this is how the watch looks like. And the build quality, I don't think the build quality is so good. And if you see, I'm gonna show you. If you see here, the build quality, it is not so good. And the heart rate monitoring or oxygen monitoring, I don't see that accurate, but I'm not sure, but I don't see that accurate. But still company claims it's accurate, but I don't see that. And if you see here, you will be able to set all the screensavers, and this is the activity mode. This was your target or what all you have achieved, you can see that. And you have heart rate monitoring, SO2 monitoring, and in case if you want to control the music, you will be able to control it. Okay, so that's it. But let's see whether if you want to buy this or not. As my suggestion is, try I'm not saying anything bad about this company, but still, in case if you can invest other 500 to 1000 rupees, like for 2000 rupees, 2500 rupees, you are gonna get a good one which has speaker where you can speak over the smartwatch, and better accuracy on heart rate monitoring or SpO2. So seeing just 1200 rupees, you will just get this watch as what you say, just normal tracking, that's it, nothing special on it. So I suggest, in case if you have money, you're gonna invest that, you can buy good like good model, same company, you can buy some good model like you have for 2000, 2500. In case if you don't have money and you just need this to track your workout progress, then you can go ahead and invest it. So since if you just need, I want to work just to track my workout progress and just to track my steps, then 1200, this watch is worth enough. In case if you want some good features, you're gonna invest almost 2000, 2500 in order to get the better model. So that's my review, honest review. Hope you like this video. So let's see on the other product video. Until then, take care. Bye.